Rachel from Midwife's Own Brand. I'm just going to show you little Allegra, who's just finished her feed, and we're going to burp her. The best way to burp a baby and spend no more than 2 minutes is to have a straight passage. So you see, I've got my hand under her chin and I've got her back, pushing her back straight, because the air is coming up from the tummy and she's wriggling around a bit, so I think she's feeling like something's coming up or out the other way. But spend no more than 2 minutes